Welcome to my channel. When it comes to choosing the best total station survey company, Scondesign India Private Limited is a name that stands out in the market. With years of experience in mapping, the company has established itself as one of the leading players in the industry. Their advanced total station are designed to deliver precise and reliable measurements, making them an ideal choice for a wide range of applications. Scondesign India Private Limited is known for their commitment to quality and innovation, as well as their focus on customer satisfaction. Their products are designed to meet the needs of both novice and experienced surveyors, and they offer a range of models to suit different requirement and budget. Whether you need a basic model for simple surveys or a more advanced one for complex projects, Scondesign India Private Limited has got you covered. In addition to their high-quality total stations, Scondesign India Private Limited also provides excellent after-sales support and service. Their team of experts is always ready to help you any queries or issues you may have, ensuring that you get the most of your investment. So, if you're looking for the best total station company, Scondesign India Private Limited is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.